Hello everyone, and welcome back to The Wealth Warrior. Today we're talking about two of the most popular ways to save for retirement, 401ks and IRAs. 401ks are employer-sponsored retirement plans that allow you to save for retirement by contributing a portion of your salary to a tax-deferred account. Your employer may also contribute to your account, which is a great way to maximize your savings. IRAs, or individual retirement accounts, are similar to 401ks in that they allow you to save for retirement by contributing a portion of your income to a tax-deferred account. But unlike 401ks, IRAs are not employer-sponsored and you can set it up on your own. You can choose from different types of IRAs such as traditional IRA, Roth IRA, SEP IRA. Both 401ks and IRAs have different contribution limits and tax advantages, so it's important to understand the differences and choose the option that's best for you. For example, with a traditional IRA, contributions are tax-deductible, but withdrawals in retirement are taxed as income. With a Roth IRA, contributions are made with after-tax dollars, but withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. It's also important to remember that you can have both a 401k and an IRA, and that can maximize your savings potential. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video on social media. And remember, this content is for educational purposes only and is not intended as legal or financial advice. Thanks for watching.